Tesla stock off its high, but one tech industry veteran says the Model 3 introduction will be as big as the introduction of the iPhone. Joining us now, longtime Apple analyst Gene Munster. That's quite a statement, Mr. Munster. You want to back it up?
I do. The iPhone really took the concept of a phone to a computer in your pocket, and that's what really broke the game open. It just wasn't a phone, it was a fundamental shift. We think Tesla Model 3 has the same opportunity to change a car to being an autonomous and electric vehicle, which changes the entire paradigm around travel. And so I think one of the parts that's missing around how people think about the Model 3 is the affordability piece. In a recent study that we did, we looked at the cost of ownership of a Model 3 compared to the everyday Toyota Camry. And we found over a 5-year period, it's only 13% more to own a Model 3, which will be fully autonomous in 2 to 3 years, than it is the Camry. Now, the sticker price is very different, 42%. So to kind of put all this together is an affordable, autonomous, electric car can have the same dramatic impact on a paradigm shift as the iPhone had.
That's a powerful endorsement of the Model 3 from Tesla. Do you own Tesla stock?
I do own Tesla stock. I do not own a Tesla, and I want to make one point on that, is I've been in a Tesla once, and it's a game-changing experience. There's about 200,000 Teslas on the road today. That's about 1/10 of 1% of the cars in the U.S. I believe that as these Model 3s start to make it into the marketplace over the next year, people will get exposed to this new driving experience, and I think it's really going to go viral in terms of the demand for this car.
Well, you've made your case, and it's a very interesting case, I've got to say, Gene, but I'm going to throw this one at you. Roku, an IPO this year. They're thinking about it. What say you?
They'll get public. I don't think it's going to be a good stock. I think this is they're good people, but the issue here is that they're obviously have shifted their business from a hardware business to a services business. It's growing really well, 61% in the past year, despite a lot of competition from Amazon with their Fire Stick and Apple TV. But the issue is that those two companies, Amazon and Apple, are going to get much more aggressive in content. I would expect in the next 2 years for Amazon to do a blockbuster deal around sports, live sports content, potentially the NFL. I think things like that are going to make it more difficult for Roku to really garner their services business longer term.
Real fast, Gene, Amazon may give third-party developers your Alexa transcripts. Your immediate reaction to that?
Sounds bad, but it's not a big deal. They're anonymizing the data, and it's nothing that's changed. When you ask Alexa a question, a mic gets opened up for 10 seconds. That's been going on since Alexa started.